Hey guys, checking out the renovation in New Jersey. Standing in the extension piece of the home right now. Our framing is almost done. We have an 18-inch high header. It's supporting the load of the window above, and because we've extended this off of the main home, we need to make sure that we can direct the load of the upper part of the home and have it disperse out so that it can support the rest of this new framing. So here we have our peak of the roof that really mimics the exterior of the home well. The finishing piece of this space is we're going to have these 3 beams exposed. They're going to be clad in a wood veneer, and then the rest of the ceiling is going to be sheetrock. I am suggesting to consider having exposed beams on the ends as well, just so we don't have just 3 strips going down the middle of the space. But I also don't want to feel that it's too enclosed and kind of sunken in. So a bit of a discussion point for tomorrow. But this space is just absolutely massive. It's really given such depth to the kitchen that used to be a galley kitchen space, and now they can actually walk around the island and come into this new dining area. We have these great big windows that also complement what's going on outside, so the curb appeal is definitely there. And we have a great big banquette coming in. This is like the best place for families to gather, friends to gather, and it's just, I think it's worth every penny. In terms of resale, it's really adding a lot of value to the kitchen as well. Once everything is closed up, the engineers have signed off on all of the work. The inspector's coming in tomorrow. Our roof is going up. Everything is going super well. Cannot wait to see the finished space. And probably just going to come and hang out here for a while. So stay tuned for some updates, and bye-bye.